Real wealth doesn't announce itself. It moves quietly, like an invisible current shaping everything around it. The loud ones are easy to spot: designer logos, flashy cars, rented luxury, desperate noise. But those who truly have it? They blend in. They don't need to shout. Loud luxury flaunts. Stealth wealth whispers. One needs validation. The other already has it. Because at the highest levels, power doesn't look like excess. It looks like ease. It's not the roar of new money, it's the calm of old money. Not diamonds but discipline. Not noise but nuance. From tailored silence to intentional restraint, the world's elite communicate power through what they don't show. And in this video we'll uncover 12 subtle signs that silently separate the truly wealthy from those merely trying to look the part. Sign 1. Silence speaks louder than riches. The richest people rarely talk about money. They don't have to. Their calm confidence says enough. When someone feels the need to constantly mention what they earn, what they own, or what they're investing in, it's not wealth speaking. It's insecurity. A quiet CEO listens more than he speaks. He lets others reveal themselves while he stays observant, composed, and measured. Silence signals certainty. Over-explaining reveals self-doubt. Those who truly hold power don't rush to prove it. They already know who they are. The less you justify, the more powerful you appear. Because in the hierarchy of presence, silence is the highest form of communication. Sign 2. Understated wardrobe mastery. True wealth doesn't wear logos, it wears confidence. The difference between an influencer and an heir is subtle, but unmistakable. A billionaire in a perfectly tailored navy suit carries more presence than someone in head-to-toe designer branding. Because wealth doesn't crave attention, it commands it. Fit, fabric, and restraint replace the need for recognition. The elite dress for themselves, not for the room. Their wardrobe isn't meant to impress strangers, it's built for timeless ease. Subtlety is the ultimate luxury, it requires inner confidence. Anyone can buy loud fashion. Few can afford invisibility. Invest in timeless essentials that whisper quality, not trends that scream for attention. Because true elegance never competes, it simply exists. Sign 3. Time is their ultimate flex. For the truly wealthy, time, not possessions, is the rarest currency. A private jet isn't for display, it's a tool to reclaim 6 hours of freedom. Billionaires don't rush. They design their lives so time bends around them, not the other way around. Every meeting, every commitment, is filtered through one question. Is this worth my time? Because control over time equals control over life. Money without time is just a golden cage. Spend less proving wealth and more buying freedom. The ability to say no is the ultimate luxury. Sign 4. Composure in chaos. Stealth wealth isn't just about what you wear, it's how you behave. During crises, loud money panics. Quiet wealth stays calm. When markets crash or chaos erupts, old money doesn't shout, they adjust. True power is emotional discipline. Because composure under pressure signals something deeper than money, it signals mastery over self. While others react, they reflect. Their stillness is strategic, their calm contagious. Your reaction under pressure reveals your true status. Wealth may open doors, but composure keeps them open. Sign 5. No need for validation. Those who truly have it don't seek applause. They're not performing, they're building. You won't find old money families broadcasting their lifestyle online. They don't chase likes, they chase legacy. Confidence built on validation is fragile. Real power is internal. When your worth is measured by approval, you'll always be poor in peace. Stealth wealth moves in silence because results make the noise. Private victories outlast public applause. Build private wins, because validation fades but self-respect compounds. Sign 6. Subtle signals of craftsmanship. Quiet wealth lives in details most people overlook. Hand-stitched leather. A watch with no diamonds but decades of heritage. Patek Philippe. Loro Piana. Names that whisper, never shout. To the untrained eye, it's just a jacket. To those who know, it's art. Because true luxury isn't about price, it's about precision. The elite express taste through texture, not tags. Learn to appreciate quality that only a trained eye notices. That's the essence of stealth wealth, invisible excellence. Sign 7. The power of discretion. True wealth values privacy as its highest currency. The richest people aren't influencers, they're ghosts. You'll never see their vacations, homes, or inner circles online. Their names may move markets, but their faces remain unknown. Attention is cheap. Privacy is priceless. Because when you control what others know, you control the narrative itself. Stealth wealth understands that mystery multiplies value. When the world can't access your life, it can't devalue it either. Protect your personal life as fiercely as your portfolio. Power grows best in silence. Sign 8, financial silence. The wealthy don't brag about their money moves, they let results speak. Quiet investors compound wealth in private, while loud ones post screenshots for attention. When you're truly building, you don't have time to broadcast. Every real empire was built behind closed doors, not on a timeline. Because those who understand money know this truth: the louder it's shared, the weaker it becomes. Keep your growth private. Show your peace, not your profits. Sign 9, legacy over lifestyles. Stealth wealth mines the long game. They're not building for the weekend, they're building for centuries. Old money prioritizes education, heritage, and shared values. They invest in family traditions, not fleeting trends. Legacy is the most refined form of luxury. It's wealth that transcends possessions and becomes philosophy. While others chase lifestyle, they build lineage. Because legacy doesn't fade, it compounds through generations. Focus on what endures, not what trends. That's how the rich stay rich long after the spotlight fades. Sign 10, tasteful environments, not flashy homes. Their homes don't scream luxury, they breathe it. Neutral tones, natural textures, curated art, hidden technology, everything designed for harmony, not spectacle. Refinement is simplicity mastered. Quiet luxury interiors aren't meant to impress guests, they're meant to soothe the soul. A flashy house shows money. A calm home shows peace. And peace is the rarest status symbol of all. Your space should evoke calm, not chaos. Because serenity is the new symbol of status. Sign 11, selective circle, not large crowd. Stealth wealth thrives in curated company. They don't need everyone, they need the right ones. Power players prefer intimate dinners over loud parties. Their conversations revolve around ideas, not people. Quality over quantity, this is their rule in every area of life. They know that proximity shapes destiny. Every relationship is either an investment or a liability. Build circles that sharpen you, not audiences that drain you. Because true power travels quietly, in small, decisive groups. Sign 12, absence of the need to prove. The truest mark of wealth is effortlessness. No need to explain, no need to impress. Old money doesn't compete with trends, it watches them fade. They move with quiet assurance, comfortable in their restraint. When you stop proving, you start being. That's when style becomes substance and confidence becomes character. Real status is invisible to those still chasing symbols. Because when you've already won internally, there's nothing left to prove externally. In the end, invisibility becomes the purest luxury of all. The richest people in the world don't wear their wealth, they carry it. In their posture, their tone, their quiet certainty. True status isn't about excess, it's about restraint. It's not about showing more, it's about needing less. Because real wealth isn't a product, it's a presence. It's the calm that comes from control, the freedom to choose, the peace that can't be purchased. Wealth whispers, ego screams, and the quieter you become, the louder your power grows. If you're ready to master the psychology of quiet power, subscribe to the Lux Ledger. Join those who move in silence, yet shape the world.